are so flexible and recognise that distance learners might need a variety of routes, and we want to support that. We do actually offer the distance learning course in 3 different modes. The first is full-time, that's a calendar year, so it goes from September to September, devoted to studying for that year, so you wouldn't be working at all. Then we offer it over 2 years, part-time. This would usually be where you're doing 2 modules roughly at a time, and the commitment there is that you may be working, but that the balance of work might be 50-50 between work and study, that you probably shouldn't be working any more than probably 3 days a week if you're going to do it over 2 years. Of course, that will depend on every individual's circumstances. And then the third route is over 3 years. So that is where usually those students are working full-time or very close to full-time.